Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are so excited. We are trading in this amazing looking Yaris. I know. For a car that we, is it a car that we have been trying to get for a long time, and we have done a lot of research and we are finally picking it up today. It was a factory order and we've been waiting months. So let's go get it. Without further ado, here is our new ride. So if you haven't guessed it from that amazing B-roll, we got a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Eco Diesel. This thing is flipping awesome, 260 horsepower, 442 foot-pound torque. Holy crap, I'm excited.
He's just a little excited.
A little excited.
Just a little bit.
Just a little excited, but we are going to take this on some really fun trails. We're gonna do all kinds of fun stuff with our family, and we're just gonna get out there and we're going to see the world.
And of course, the day we get it is our first snowfall and we're freezing, but...
Yep, just so happened, first snowfall, and we can't do much in it, but...
This is Alberta, right? So...
Yeah, this is the way it is. Alberta's just kind of nuts that way. So again, quick look, Rubicon. It's got the trail rated badge. And Emily, what kind of Jeep did you think we were getting?
Yeah, he told me a V6, but he didn't specify that it was a diesel V6. And it took me like a few looks to notice. I was actually reading Eco Diesel. It wasn't clicking until later. My husband fooled me.
Yeah, I did. I kept saying, she's like, oh, I wish we got the Eco Diesel, but you know, I understand it's a little more expensive. And then I just tell her, yeah, you know, well, the V6 is good. The V6 is good. I didn't lie to her. I said the V6 is good. I just didn't specify that it was an Eco Diesel V6. So, dang it, man, here we go. Let's get this party started. Excited! It's gonna be ridiculously good fun out there on the trails!
Try that again. I thought you were already recording.
No, I wasn't.